How to add black background to subtitles and burn subtitles to videos. To begin, I opened a subtitle and a video, and I want to show you two ways to add background to subtitles and then burn subtitle into video. The first way is to go to Video, Generate Video with Burn in Subtitle. Here set the font size and family. And make sure to check the opaque box. You can see a preview. And if you are happy with it, just click on Generate button to burn subtitle with background into video. Now click on Open Containing Folder. And here is the result. The second way is to first change the format of subtitle from subrip to Advanced Substation Alpha. Then click on this big A in toolbar to open Styles window. Here set the font size and family and other options, but make sure to click on Opaque box and then from drop down, select one box which uses shadow color. And here you have the option to change the background color. Just click on Shadow and select the color you want. And with Alpha property, you can make the background more transparent. Now click Apply and you can see the resultant player, and if you are happy with it, just click OK. Now we have to burn subtitle. Just go to Video, and select Generate Video with Burn in Subtitle. Because we used Advanced Substation Alpha, we don't have the option to change font here. Click on Generate button. Now click on Open Containing Folder, and here is the result. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.